Hello, my name is Christina Hansen, and today I'm going to talk to you about my own personal experience and why taking vitamins should be a part of everybody's daily routine. It goes without saying that the best source of nutrients comes from a balanced diet. But however, many of us do not receive the proper nutrition from diet alone, and that is why we must take vitamins. Our body needs a certain amount of vitamins in order to remain healthy and function properly. Last year, I was in and out of the doctor's office every week. I caught almost every virus, and I could not sleep for months. I had no idea why this was happening to me, and neither did anybody else, until I went to go see a nutritionist. And that is when she sent me to go take 9 different blood tests so we could finally see what was happening with my body. The results of the blood test showed that I had a vitamin deficiency of B12. So that is why today I'm going to help to make you realize that why we need to take vitamins, the advantages that they have, and also how they can help to prevent against vitamin deficiency like I had, and the uncomfortable symptoms that come along with it. And also, many vitamins can prevent against viruses and diseases. Now, there are so many different vitamins out there that people can take, but some are obviously more beneficial and important than others. Some of the more important vitamins are vitamins A, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Vitamin A is commonly known as a vitamin for good eyesight, but it also plays many other important roles in your body. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision. It is vital for regulating genes. It is beneficial for supporting a healthy immune system. It helps to keep a healthy reproduction system. It keeps your body producing normal cell division, and it is important for many of the body's maintenance functions. Vitamin B12 is a very important vitamin, as I know from experience. Vitamin B12 is needed for several vital body functions. It is needed for the metabolism of every cell in your body. It is not only needed for the regulation and synthesis of the fatty acids, but is needed for energy production also. Vitamin B12 plays a very important role for proper brain functioning, and also plays a very important role for formation of red blood cells, and also for the rapid synthesis of DNA during cell division, and is needed for the maintenance of healthy nerves and nervous system. Vitamin D is also a very important vitamin that we need to make sure we have enough of in our body. Vitamin D has many important roles in our body, and a lack of vitamin D can lead to many serious health problems. Vitamin D is essential for bone growth, and its main job is to keep the right amount of phosphorus and calcium in our blood so we can have strong bones. Vitamin D will prevent against bone fractures, and vitamin D also is used to improve our body, our mood, and our lung functions. Now, vitamins can also help to prevent against vitamin deficiency. And vitamin deficiency will lead to very many uncomfortable and scary symptoms. Vitamin deficiency has many severe and less severe symptoms, but either way, all of them are very scary and uncomfortable. Some of the less severe symptoms of vitamin deficiency are getting a sore mouth often before eating, you have loss of appetite, which means you will not want to eat at all, you could develop very dry skin and hair, and also behavioral changes will occur, such as an attitude shift, and also you become very weak and tired all the time. Some of the more severe symptoms of vitamin deficiency are a vitamin deficiency of vitamin A will cause and lead to night blindness. A vitamin deficiency of B12 will lead to megaloblastic anemia, which is often life-threatening. And a vitamin deficiency of vitamin D will lead to weakening of the bones. If you develop vitamin D deficiency when you're older, this will cause osteoporosis. And if you develop vitamin deficiency of vitamin D when you're younger, this will cause rickets, which is the weakening of the bones, which will lead to fractures and deformity. Now, vitamins play a very important role in preventing against diseases and viruses, and that's why we need to take them. Vitamin potassium plays a major role in preventing against high blood pressure and strokes. Vitamin calcium helps you from developing osteoporosis, which is very common among older women. Vitamin D helps to prevent against multiple sclerosis and a variety of cancers. Vitamin A helps you to keep a strong immune system and fights against viruses and infections. And vitamin B12 helps to prevent against dementia in people such as Alzheimer's, and it also helps to prevent against multiple sclerosis, as did vitamin D. Now, it could be scary to one day find out that a vitamin is negatively affecting your health to the point where you have to be in and out of the doctor's office every week. Do you really want to end up like I was, sitting in doctor's offices every week trying to figure out what the problem is? I doubt it. Now, vitamins can be very, very costly, but it's not worth the cost of your health. Please take your vitamins. Be smart and take care.